That 300, that's so nice.
Yes.
It's so light and nimble.
What about any of the 350 XCF or anything yet?
I did 300. I can't remember how long already.
Yeah. That's what I rode too. Those are the three I did.
Nice.
Yeah. Sweet.
Sticker you up here.
Yes, sir. Same thing, aggressive to the right,
Yeah,
right?
exactly the same.
Cool.
You didn't get the last time either.
Oh, okay,
Probably
yeah.
the time before.
I got the. This is my third.
One,
No, I've only rode the 2 4-strokes.
okay. Yeah, that's the great thing about all 4 of these. The map setting's the same. The suspension's the same. So really the only difference is just the engine.
Okay.
You know, and the taillight and headlight, back reverse is the cross country.
Cool. Thank you. All right, we're on the SEF300 factory, I believe. Okay, we're on the lane map switch. Lane map switch is pretty good power. Dang, there's some big stumps. All right, going to aggressive. Okay, I don't think I got this bike into the aggressive map the first video I did. Because this feels way better. Second. Alright, I'm in 3rd gear right now. For some reason the suspension feels different on this too. He just told me they were the same, but I'm just not feeling that. I don't feel the stink bug feel like I felt on the 250. This, man. This is way better than that 250. I can be close to a stop like I would be in a woods race and just get up this. No problem, man. Not stalling. Doesn't even, you're not even giving it gas, and it's still building power pretty well. I think I like this more than the KTM 350 XCW, XCSW. God, all these freaking tongue twisters.
Yeah, we do, but I know, like, Arkansas, Texas.
I dig it.
I like that one better than the 50.
Yeah, on the aggressive map, it's like the perfect amount of power.
KYB.
Yeah. Okay, 250. You skipping it? All right. Yeah.